Hey guys, get your bag packed. Today we are going to the world's highest peak, Mount Everest. If you don't know about Mount Everest, I'll tell you. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world. It is located in Nepal. Mount Everest is known as Sagarmatha in Nepal. It is situated in the Mahalangur Himal sub-range of the Himalayas. It straddles the border between Nepal and the Tibet Autonomous Region of China. Do you know who is the first person to go to the top of the Mount Everest? Don't worry, just wait for a few minutes, I'll tell you. The peak of Mount Everest stands at 8,848.86 meters, 29,031.7 feet above sea level, making it the highest point of Earth. Do you know when was the formation of Everest? Everest was formed about 60 million years ago due to the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates pushing up the mountain range. Some notable features are Khumbu Icefall, Hillary Steppe, and South Col. The Great Trigonometrical Survey of India, conducted in the 19th century, identified Everest as the world's highest peak, then known as Peak XP, and the first recorded attempt to climb Everest were by British mountaineers in the early 20th century. The first successfully attempt was on May 29, 1953, and it's time to reveal that who was the first person to step at the top of the world's highest peak, Mount Everest. And the name is Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay Sherpa of Nepal successfully reached the South Col route. Climbing routes to Mount Everest. Southeast Ridge, Nepal, the most popular and commercialized route, starting from the next is spring from late April to early June with weather relativity, autumn from September to November. You know, it takes lots of preparation and challenges to climb Mount Everest. You have to train physically. You need to have gear and equipment such as
Your normal technical gear, your harness, crampons, ice axe. Beyond that, an ascender for climbing fixed ropes. Even beyond that, though, you need triple boots, so the warmest boots you can get, some really insulated big boots. You need down suits, which is a very specialized item of gear.
And the most important thing to climb Mount Everest is you should have permits from government to climb Everest, and you should pay more than $30,000 to $1 lakh, including permit equipments, guides, and support services to climb Mount Everest. There are too many risks to climb Mount Everest. Major hazards include altitude sickness, avalanches, crevasses, and the risk of the death, particularly in the death zone above 8,000 meters, where oxygen levels are critically low. The Sherpas. Sherpas are integral to Everest expeditions, serving as guides, porters, and support staff. Sherpas believe in cultural significance. For the Sherpa people, Everest hold spiritual significance. Expeditions often with a puja ceremony to seek blessings for safe climb. Notable events and records of Mount Everest. Deadliest days. The 1996 disaster where 8 climbers perished in storm. And the 2014 and 2015 avalanches. And do you know who were the youngest and oldest climbers? Jordan Romero, who submitted at age 13, was the first youngest climber of Mount Everest. Yuichiro Miura, who submitted at age 80 in 2013, was the oldest climber of Mount Everest. Mount Everest is not just the highest peak on earth, but also a symbol of human endurance, ambition, and the complexities of our relationship with nature. It allowed continues to draw adventurers from around the globe, each seeking to stand on the roof of the world despite the tremendous risk and challenges involved. Thank you so much for watching full video, guys, and would you like more detailed information on a specific aspect of Mount Everest? Then comment below. If you like the video, just subscribe the video, like the video, and share the video. Thank you for watching.